Hello and welcome back to my 30 videos in 30 day series. Today I'm going to take this 99-cent book from Goodwill, which just happens to be exactly 100 years old, and turn it into secret storage. If you'd like to see how it's done, please stick around. My idea is that if I take the book and I clamp it between these two boards with some screws, I should be able to hold all the pages tight and then be able to cut this center section away. Once the center section's away, if I can reinforce what's left with some thin plywood or thin wood of some sort on the inside. I've cut out these thin boards out of 1/4 inch plywood to line the inside. Now all I have to do is cut them to length. I believe hot glue is going to give me my best bond between the binding and the cover. Thank you for watching me turn this 100-year-old book into a book safe. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. As much as it hurt to cut into a 100-year-old book, it has more style than a newer book would have, and it was 99 cents. It's not like I was cutting into something valuable. Before I cut into this book, I did go online and I found a good dozen copies of this book on eBay for anywhere between $3 and $7. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace. Wood or a veneer in there. Now I'm wondering if I should. Now I'm wondering if I should do it. Now I'm wondering if I should do it. The fuck are you doing, Focus? Focus, you fuck!